Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. I will concentrate about this one only. So I will put about another f of s equals to s to the power of ln s. And I will put this one into about capital A in here. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, we need to put about natural log for the both sides in here. Now we apply the formula ln of a to the power of b equals to b ln a. So we apply this one in here, and you got about ln s with ln s. Now if I do first derivative for the both sides, this one you got about first derivative of a over a. This one we do first derivative of ln s with ln s plus another ln s with ln s, because they have the same ln s. This is about the product rule of derivative. This one you got about 1 over s. Now if we simplify, and you got about 2 ln s over s. Next, we multiply both sides by capital A. And we know that capital A, that is about this one. So, first derivative of this one. That should be like this. And this one equals to this one. And now we need to find the value of this one in here. So we put number 4 cone here and here. So to simplify by number 4, you got about ln number 4 over number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.